Factorization by splitting the middle term. A quadratic polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So something like x square plus 3x plus 2. How do we factorize this? This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant. So, in this expression, coefficient a equals 1, coefficient b equals 3 and constant c equals 2. Look at the given expression x square plus 3x plus 2. We cannot factorize this expression using any identity because its last term is not a square term. So, how do we reduce this into factors? We use a simple technique of splitting the coefficient of the middle term, that is 3. Here we would split 3x, that is the middle term, in such a way that it would help us factorize using grouping. There is an interesting technique which helps us to split the middle term. So, coefficient 3 has to be split into two numbers like n1 and n2. There are two conditions for splitting the middle term. First condition says that n1 plus n2 equals b, that equals 3. In this expression, b equals 3. Next condition is n1 multiplied by n2 equals the product of coefficient a by c, that's equal to 1 into 2 equals 2. Which two numbers do you think which satisfies these two conditions? If you would have tried a few combinations, you would have got the two numbers as 1 and 2. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3 and 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. So, we write the expression like x square plus 3x plus 2 as x square plus 1 plus 2 x plus 2. Then open this bracket, that is x square plus 1x plus 2x plus 2. Now grouping the terms. First we can group this and then these two. From this we can take out x as common factor, then x plus 1 left here. From this group we can take out 2 as common factor, then x plus 1. Now from these two terms we can take out x plus 1 as common factor. So x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 are the two factors of this expression x square plus 3x plus 2. Using the same concept, try and factorize the polynomial x square plus x minus 6. In this expression, we know the coefficient of x square, that is a equals 1, coefficient of x b equals 1 and constant term c equals minus 6. Now we have to split this middle term's coefficient as n1 and n2. And we know there are two conditions, that is n1 plus n2 is equal to b, that's equal to 1, n1 multiplied by n2 equals a into c, that is minus 6. Which two numbers do you think which satisfy these two conditions? We know they are minus 2 and 3. Minus 2 plus 3 equals 1, that is B. Minus 2 multiplied by 3 equals minus 6, that is n1 into n2. Now the expression becomes x square plus minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 6. Now open this bracket. So x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. Now grouping the terms. From this group we can take out x as common factor, then x minus 2. From this group 3 is the common factor, so 3 multiplied by x minus 2. Now x minus 2 common, so x minus 2 in bracket, then left x plus 3. So these are the two factors of x square plus x minus 6. This method is very easy. Remember three things. First, split the coefficient of middle term. Second, expand the bracket. Third, grouping of the terms.